Hey guys, it's Kevin here at JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31, reference number 178240. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about their movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of May 2018, you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer for $6,200 plus tax, or you can come to JazTime.com and look for the most up-to-date pricing. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the dial. The dial follows Datejust's very basic dial architecture, which is the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position with the Rolex Datejust name right underneath it. Roman numerals, Roman numeral hour markers. For the Roman numeral hour markers, you'll be seeing these non-luminous hour and minute hand. The crown, crown logo, the hour markers, and the hands are all fashioned out of 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. We have the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that beautiful sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. For the specific dial configuration I have in my hand here, we have the silver dial with Roman numeral hour markers. The silver dial, absolutely gorgeous, as you can see, is a sort of a sunbursty type of dial, as Rolex likes to call it. As you can see, as I tilt it towards different directions in the light, you can see sort of that sunburst effect. If you're not interested, however, if you're not interested in this specific dial color or this dial configuration, the Datejust comes in numerous different configurations, as it is a beautiful dress watch. They obviously want to make a dress watch that is right for you. So specifically for the index and the Roman numeral hour markers, you can get that in the silver, which I have in my hand here, the white, blue, black, or pink dial colors. If you're not interested in the index or Roman numerals, you can also get an Arabic numeral only in the black dial color. And if you're interested in something a little more luxurious, a little more different, you can actually call us or check out our website here at JazTime.com. We actually do custom dials and custom bezels for this model of the Datejust as well. We can do a diamond, completely full diamond bezel, or we can do a mother of pearl with diamond hour markers, or even just a blue dial with diamond hour markers as well. So if you're interested in something a little bit different, just give us a call and we'll be happy to help you on that. Moving on, we're going to go to the bezel now. As I said before, we can add a nice, beautiful diamond bezel installed in place of this very simple, high polished dome bezel. But even just the standard dome bezel is just absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, very nice high polish that matches with the lugs of the case. As you can see, nice high polish on the lugs of the case that pattern very nicely from the start of the bracelet as well. The side of the case, nice high polish as well, that patterns very nicely with the sides of the bracelet. On the other side as well with the crown logo. The specific case size of this Datejust, as stated by the name, is a Rolex Datejust 31, so it is a 31mm case. From my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. The case and the bracelet are made out of 904L steel, which is an in-house Rolex made steel that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine than the industry standard steel. As we move on to the crown now, the crown is a twin lock double waterproofness system. It's a screw down crown that simply unscrews counterclockwise as shown. And in this standard position that the crown pops out into, this is where you could wind the watch. Going clockwise, about 15 to 20 winds is all you need from a dead stop to get the watch started once more. A simple tugging of the crown will activate the next step of the crown, in which you can change the date instantaneously as shown by going counterclockwise. You can see how easy it is just to change the date there. And the final position of the crown will stop the seconds hand, as you see. And that's for precise time settings, such as doing an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. As this, in this final position, you can set the time bi-directionally as shown. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more. As you can see, it's already started going. And always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance for 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. The bracelet, it's a beautiful Jubilee style bracelet, which is a 5-piece link style bracelet with nice high polish in the center of the 3-piece links, contrasting with the nice satin finish in the outer of the 5-piece links. The pattern goes throughout the whole bracelet, only to be interrupted by the Rolex crown logo. So So I go through the whole bracelet. You can see that nice continuous pattern. The interruption by the Rolex crown logo is actually where the clasp is located. It's a concealed folding crown clasp. And there we are. Opens up to reveal these nicely high polished clasp blades. So you can see the bracelet fully opened up as so. And then closed once more. See the clasp nicely hidden behind the bracelet. Alright, but if you're not interested in this style of bracelet, the Jubilee style bracelet, the Rolex does have their standard oyster bracelet, which is a 3-piece link bracelet. However, it will follow the same style of the outer of the 3-piece links, having a nice satin finish and a high polish down the center of the 3-piece link. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. So the movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing, nice high polish as you can see around it. The movement is a 2235 in-house made movement, perpetual mechanical self-winding movement made by Rolex. It's within Swiss specs, which is -2 + 2 seconds a day. The functions of the movement, very simple functions, just the center, hour, minute, and second hand, instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and stopping in the second hand for precise time setting, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch is a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Alright, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So once again, locate the concealed folding crown clasp. Opens up as so. And there we are. As you can see, smaller watch, so not too high of a profile on top of the wrist. And there it is. Absolutely beautiful watch. So if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We offer a lowest price guaranteed and a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.